Ready ka na ba to take those sparks, that chemistry that you have with your certain person, from, having this situationship with them to being your jowa? Stay with me, and I'm going to give you all the tricks, the step by step on how to do that. First, of course, is you have to acknowledge the connection that you have. There are sparks, may mga nangyayari between the two of you, okay? It's more of a self-awareness check na kayong dalawa, when you're together, there's really that electricity na nagkakaroon kayo ng certain kilig with each other. And you have to be aware and acknowledge that. Next is identify the roadblocks. Ano ba yung mga pumipigil sa inyo? Is it timing? Meron bang communication issues? Meron bang humahadlang na iba pang mga connections? You have to identify what is blocking both of you from transitioning from being friends to being a couple. Next is open communication. You have to be able to talk to your person in a very casual way and just say that, whatever you feel, you have to be honest with each other. Like, kunyari, Uy, crush, alam ko naman na gusto mo ko. Do you want to do anything about that? It's in those lines, okay? It might be too blunt, pero it can be in those lines. Kasi parang hindi kayo makakapag-move forward unless someone really takes that initiative. Next is address the issues. Whether it's about, communication or, let's say, setting boundaries, you have to be able to address the issues. Whether it's that, if it's, yung timing, is it communication, you have to be able to address these things in order for you to be able to move forward. This one's very important. Focus on your connection. Instead of focusing on the problems or the hurdles that you have, it's nice to be aware of those things. But the connection that you have, it should be more nurturing. It should be a little bit more happy. Lessening niya yung mga problems. Lessening niya yung mga issues that you have or issues that are being thrown to you by other people. Kailangan medyo i-minimize ninyo yun and just focus on, building that connection even further. And lastly, this one is very important and this requires patience. Now that you've already acknowledged the situation, nakausap niyo na yung situationship ninyo, yung person ninyo, the next step right now, and the last step right now is just to trust the process. Maybe it can be you na hindi ka pa talagang handa, or pwedeng it's the other person. Either way, it will happen. As long as nasabi niyo na sa isa't isa, communication is really the key to this situation. So, just trust the process. Aabot at aabot rin tayo dyan. I believe in you.